Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing the the I don't know, I forgot the game name. It's MMX Racing, I think so. From the same game developers Hutch, who developed the Hot Wheels game that I have uploaded in the previous day. So let's get into the game. Difficulty normal, 1 ticket. Let's see if we can win this race. This race is almost similar to the Hot Wheels one, but instead of competing to the previous ourselves, we are competing with the other players on the internet. So let's go. I think the race has begun, but my screen is in the loading screen. I have a shitty phone. Should change it soon. Oh shit, we both have the same cars, same monster trucks. As you can see, they are not monster trucks yet, but we have to upgrade them to one. The first car that I used in this game is a monster truck, but that's only for tutorial levels, not for these ones. And in this game, when the jump comes, we have to release the accelerator or the gas pedal, and as soon as the car lands, we have to press the gas pedal to get more speed and overtake the opponent. As you can see, we have $824 MMX dollars, which gives us 1024, $1 giga. Yes. I don't think that we can customize anything now, so let's play another race. Oh shit, I thought that we had to do it again. Oh no, difficulty is impossible. Let's see if we can do it. Upgrade to make this a fair race. Okay, let's see if we can upgrade this now. Yes, since I didn't finish the tutorial for upgrading and stuff, it might show the tutorial like this before. Okay, here we can choose any other thing, so I have to purchase the engine. Yes, and we have to race straight away. No wanted for wheels, suspension and other things. I think these 8 players are for tutorial levels or maybe campaign levels. I don't know, but I think that they are inbuilt levels. That's why I'm making so much good progress in the races. Let's see. Okay, yes, I know that it is the car. Shit. Oh no, he got so fast. Oh no, we lost it. We definitely lost it. Let's see if we can do it another time. Okay, restart one more ticket. Oh no, but we are so close. still lost. I have only 8 tickets. Let's see if we can do it again. Do it this time. Yes. No, we lost again. I'm gonna try this one more time. I'm gonna try this until the tickets get up to 5. So technically we have two more tickets. So no. He got way more far in the beginning. Shit, we lost again. So we have two more tries. Oh no, one more try. Let's see if we can do it. Yes, I'm gonna skip and see if we can upgrade the car. Okay, so far so good. Oh no. Yes, we did it. Yay! And the music is so good in this game. But for a mini game, it's not that much. That much low quality. So I like it anyway. That's it. Let's see if we can upgrade something else. Okay. I'm the king of Class C and nobody's taking that from me. Let's see. I'm gonna upgrade this car. Supercharger. Shocks. Yes. Oh. Oh. I thought that we have leveled up from 0 to 1. Shocks. Now I need tires. But I also need the transmission. Take off. We need the... Oh. No, that's the chassis. Let's see what the tire does. Tire does the acceleration. I think we need to get the chassis because it upgrades everything. For now we get the chassis and we can't buy anything else. What a game. Let's see what we can customize. Paint, flags, accessories. No, I don't have time for this. Let's see if we can do something with the chassis upgrade. And this animation is a good one, but my phone can't take this animation. It's so slow. Oh, we have a multiplayer. Okay. Oh shit. What am I supposed to do? I don't know. Beat the battle for 5th prime time to unlock multiplayer. Okay, I didn't keep the multiplayer option. What is this? No, that's a social thing. What did he say? Beat the battle for 5th prime time. Okay. Now where's the 5th prime time? Yes. You might be ready, but your truck isn't. Let's get back to the workshop and see what we can do. Let's see. I already upgraded it, so I have to try anyway. Okay, let's go. Okay. Save. Come on. Move on. Move on. It's getting so long. Okay. Shit, I forgot to. Oh no 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 no. No, I'm never gonna do this level. It's so shitty. Shit. I just messed up. Let's see if we can do something. How? Best of 3. 2 more races. Let's see if we can do it. I think we can't do it in this game with such a low level car. Come on. Yes. Okay, so far not so good, but okay. No, we are never gonna do this. I'm gonna get something else, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.